crop existing 10 years prior to this discussion, and within one instrument, the slide or the police whistle.
On Bob Dylan's Highway 61
Yeah.
Revisited. Yeah, you're absolutely right. And I think that that sound really is important to bring forward. In the middle, and that's why that album is so important, and I spent as much time as I did on it, and probably why it slipped down on the music stand and kept getting lower and lower, because there's so much in there that is a signal that this music, for all of its seriousness, really should be, I don't want to say fun, but may I? It should be fun. And I think you're absolutely correct. And think about Rainy Day Women, too, as a song that starts to move into other instrumentation. But I'm particularly enthralled with the police whistle on Highway 61 Revisited.
Highway 61.
Right. It really is a middle finger raised to all of the art rock purists, the people seeking meaning. And as usual, and we can't avoid it, there's so much that gets traced back to what Dylan did during 65 and 66. Yeah, I think that's a very important statement. It has all to do, and there are great photographs of him playing that stupid thing, that have all to do with signaling really the end of a canon he created that others really couldn't stand up against. Think about this. Who could stand up against that? There must be something else to do. Rock and roll is always going to be made by a younger generation, and a younger generation post Highway 61 Revisited went to that stuff and found things in it that people who were hanging on to it for dear life and meaning were avoiding.